chief guest of today's program, respected Kulkarni sir, principal sir, staff and all parents present here. I cadet Ayush Bhavsar from Standard 8, standing in front of you to throw light on the life and character of the founder of this institution, late Shri Suryakant Shankar Chod. In our classes, our senior teachers who worked under him always quote jokes or saying, always prepare for the worst condition. He also said, if you give problems, suggest some solutions also. These common things he used to say are most applicable even now. He was born on 25th of July in 1927 in a well-to-do Job family in Amravati. From both his mother and father, he had rich tradition to serve this country. Of 8 brothers in all, 4 served Indian Defence Services. Suryakant Job, we lovingly call him Abba Sahib. He took his school and college education in Amravati. He completed his post-graduation in chemistry from Nagpur University. He stood first in university. In his college, he was senior under officer of NCC. This responsibility had created a base of joining Indian Police Services. He was an excellent cricketer and football player. He was selected in cricket team of Central Province to play for Colonel C.K. Naidu Trophy. He also played Ranji Trophy for Central Province. In 1953, he appeared for UPSC and passed with AIR 3. He preferred to work with Indian Police Services. He worked as police officer in Buldhana, Aurangabad, Mumbai and Goa. He played major role in police action during Goa Mukti Sangram. After the assassination of Prime Minister Mrs. Indira Gandhi, he was appointed as Police Commissioner of Delhi. He handled law and order situation very skillfully. In 1985, he was appointed as the Director General of Police of Maharashtra State. He played major role in arresting notorious smuggler Charles Shobraj. He was retired in the post of DGP in 1987. After the retirement, he rejected all the offers of prominent positions and returned to Amravati. He began to work to build the career of the youth of Vidarbha. He conducted adventure camps in Melghat region. He wanted the youth of this region should join armed forces. To motivate and prepare a student, he established this school in 1991 with only strength of 35 students. His water conservation in this region is very noteworthy. The roof water harvesting system he built in our school is a role model for state government. Abba Sahib was a visionary. He completely devoted his life for the noble cause. Both of his sons served this country, Deepak as IPS officer and Sujit as Air Force pilot. And his daughter Anjali Banerjee is working for the Welfare Society of Defence. He breathed his last in 17 June 2016. His complete life is a permanent source of inspiration for all of us. For all of us, he is an epitome of proverb, work is worship. Thank you and Jai Hind to all of you.
Thank you, Ayush.